How to go live and share screen on YouTube mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go live and share screen on YouTube mobile. So to get started, go ahead and head over to your Google Play Store. Head over to the search section and search for Streamlabs. This application will allow you to go live and share your screen on YouTube. Click on the Streamlabs app and click on the install button to install the app on your device. So this might take a while, and the installation duration would vary depending on how fast your internet connection is. Now, once you have installed the app on your device, you can go ahead and proceed on setting up your account on Streamlabs. Streamlabs is an application that will allow you to go live sharing your screen and your face on different social media applications that you connect on Streamlabs. So on the application, go ahead and hit on that next button to proceed with the next steps on signing up for an account on Streamlabs. And here, select camera and screen to be able to share your camera and your screen while going live using Streamlabs. And click on the next button once you have selected that to proceed with the next step. Now in here, you can select the layout of how you want your screen to look like and click on the save button to proceed with the next steps. In here, go ahead and on the start now button to start recording and allow all of the necessary permissions. And in here, go ahead and click on that go live button. So once you click on that go live button, you'll get redirected into an interface where you can actually connect your YouTube account. Simply connect your YouTube account with your Streamlabs account, and once you have done that and go live on Streamlabs, your live will be shared and viewable on your YouTube account. And that is how you can simply go live and share your screen on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.